Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming firmware and G-Hub are up to date, because outdated firmware can override settings. Once done, close your racing sims and quit Logitech G-Hub to avoid conflicts. Next, connect the G923 directly to the PC or console via USB and ensure power indicator is on. Make sure you know whether you'll change software or device-level settings. This matters because software changes can be reversed faster, whereas device defaults require resets. You open Logitech G-Hub and choose the G923 profile. This is where software control lives. Then set master force feedback to 0 and check any game-specific profiles. Make sure all FFB sliders, effects, and dampening are also at 0 or off. Once adjusted, save the profile, and if available, lock it to prevent auto-updates changing values. Also assign that profile to the target game, so the sim won't reapply its own FFB values when launched. You now finish on the console or wheel itself. Open the game's steering settings and set force feedback, vibration, and rumble options to off, then save. If the wheel still gives feedback, run the wheel's calibration utility and, if necessary, perform a factory reset from the wheel. This clears device-level overrides. Finally, if things go wrong, check firmware again, try a different USB port or cable, and confirm G-Hub isn't running hidden. Often a stale firmware or cable issue causes persistent FFB.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.